Just picture this: a plate of golden potato rolls, perfectly crispy on the outside, soft and tender inside, with the fresh aroma of parsley lifting every bite. Sounds irresistible, right? And the best part is you don't need a fancy kitchen or complicated tools to make it. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to turn 2 simple potatoes into a snack so good you'll want to make it again and again. Let's get started. Now, to start today's dish, pick medium-sized potatoes with smooth skin. Make sure they're free of sprouts or dark spots. Why does this matter? Because the right potatoes give you that natural, sweet, creamy flavor we all love, and they're safer too. Sprouts and green patches can carry solanine, a toxin best avoided. So by choosing clean, healthy potatoes, you set the stage for both great taste and peace of mind. Next, rinse the potatoes under running water. The steady flow washes away dirt, dust, and any hidden grit. Take a moment to give them a gentle scrub so they're perfectly clean from the start. Now, let's talk about the skin. Some people leave it on, but the skin can be rough, hold residue, or even traces of pesticides. By peeling it off, you not only make the potatoes look cleaner, but you also help them cook more evenly. That means crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Stay with me, because the next step is where the real magic begins. Now, we prepare a bowl of diluted salt water. Place the slicer on top of the bowl and use a fork to hold the potato while slicing. This will help you avoid cutting your hand and make it easier. Carefully slice the potato into thin, even pieces, letting them fall directly into the water as you cut. This step is important. The water keeps the potatoes from turning brown as they're exposed to the air, and it also rinses away some of the excess starch. With less starch clinging to the surface, the slices won't stick together and they'll fry up light and crispy. Once you finish slicing, give the potatoes another rinse in fresh water. This second wash helps remove any extra starch that might still be on the surface. Too much starch can make the slices clump and prevent that perfect crisp texture we're aiming for. Next, it's time to dry them. Lift the slices from the water and spread them out on a clean cutting board or tray. Then, gently press them with paper towels to absorb as much moisture as possible. This part might seem small, but it makes a big difference. If the slices are too wet, the hot oil will splatter and the potatoes won't crisp evenly. So take care with this step because it sets the stage for the real transformation in the pan. Sprinkle a light layer of cornstarch over the potato slices. Then place another layer of dry slices on top and sprinkle with cornstarch again. The cornstarch works in 2 ways. It absorbs leftover moisture and gives the slices a gentle coating, which helps them stick just enough and turn extra crispy when fried. Prepare some clean wooden toothpicks. Take 2 slices of potato and roll them into a small circle. Now, here's a quick question. Have you ever thought a potato could double as a little piece of art? Slide a toothpick right through the center to keep the roll in place. Then move on to the next slice and do the same. Work slowly, one by one, until all of your potato slices are rolled and secured. It doesn't take long, and soon you'll have a tray full of neat little potato rolls. All ready for the next step, line a deep plate like this with paper towels. If you don't have paper towels on hand, you can also use parchment paper or even a clean brown paper bag. The idea is simple. As the potatoes come out of the fryer, the paper absorbs the excess oil. As the potatoes come out of the fryer, the paper soaks up excess oil, keeping them crisp, light, and delicious without the grease. Heat up a deep pan and pour in enough oil so the potato rolls can be fully submerged. Give it a moment to warm, because temperature here is everything. To check, drop in a thin slice of potato. Watch closely. If it bubbles evenly and rises to the surface quickly, the oil is right where we want it, about 180 degrees Celsius. This is the sweet spot. At this temperature, the potatoes cook fast, turn golden, and stay crispy without soaking up too much oil. Now comes the exciting part. Gently place the potato rolls into the hot oil. Listen to that sizzle. Keep your hand light and move them around, turning and shifting, so each roll cooks evenly on all sides. If you leave them still, the edges can burn before the centers are ready. Watch carefully as the color begins to change. First they're pale, then slowly shifting into a warm golden tone. And here it is, the moment we've been waiting for. As soon as they reach that beautiful light brown, lift them out right away and lay them onto a plate lined with paper towels. This is the climax. The rolls are crisp, delicate, and perfectly golden. Just seconds too long, and they turn dark and bitter, but pulled out at this moment, they're irresistible. Light, crunchy, and ready to be enjoyed. Wait until the potato rolls cool just a little, then gently remove the toothpicks. While they're still hot, the potatoes are soft and fragile, so pulling them out too soon could break the rolls apart. Be patient. It's worth it. Now tell me, have you ever made something so pretty with potatoes that you almost didn't want to eat it? Once the toothpicks are out, transfer the rolls into a large bowl. This makes it easy to toss them with seasonings. Prepare a small handful of finely chopped parsley. Its fresh aroma will brighten the flavor, balancing the richness and crispiness of the potatoes. Sprinkle the parsley and a pinch of fine salt over the top. Then toss gently, just enough to coat each roll without breaking them. Listen to the sound, the light crackle as the rolls touch each other, and breathe in that fragrance, the mix of golden fried potato with the freshness of herbs. At this point, it's tempting to grab one right away and take a bite. But hold on! Once everything is evenly seasoned, I place the rolls onto a clean serving plate. Now it's time. Add a little chili sauce on the side, dip in, and try one. The flavor bursts open instantly. The crunch, the creamy potato inside, the savory salt, and the fresh note of parsley. Every bite wakes up your taste buds, leaving you wanting more. And here's the best part. The moment you finish, you're already thinking next time, I should make a bigger batch, just so I can share it with everyone. And that's it. Crispy golden potato rolls ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and share it with friends. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.